Hey guys, Elizabeth here. We are in the thick of summer and temperatures are heating up, so we've moved everything outside for a little backyard barbecue for tonight's summer dinner party. Today we're cooking up pineapple grilled chicken skewers. They are juicy and flavorful and perfect for summer. My friends over at Good Cook have the best gadget to help me get everything going quickly so we can get to dinner. The first thing we're going to do is get our pineapple cut up to skewer it on with our chicken. When you're in a grocery store looking for the perfect pineapple, look out for these three things. You want to make sure the pineapple is super golden in color, that a leaf will come out super easily, just like that, and that it smells a little sweet and juicy, and you know you've got the perfect pineapple. Today I've got the coolest pineapple gadget that I want to show you. Not only does it core and cut it, but you're going to save so much fruit. Whenever I cut a pineapple, I always feel like I end up wasting a little bit of it, but this Good Cook pineapple slicer is the perfect thing when you need to cut up a large pineapple. All you're going to do is stick the gadget right into the core and then just keep turning until you reach the bottom. The gadget does most of the work for you. Just like that. You have your pineapple, it's cored, cut, ready to go. Look at all that fresh pineapple juice you saved. That's the beauty of this right here. I love this because you've saved all of the juice from the pineapple and the husk has remained totally intact, which, you know, is going to be a great beverage container on this hot summer afternoon. This top handle is detachable, so you just pinch these buttons in and it comes right out, and then turn this upside down and your pineapple comes out super easily. And you've got all of your fresh cuts. Now that our rings are out of our pineapple, we're just going to give them a nice rough chop so they fit on our chicken skewers. We've cut up all of our pineapple, so the next thing we need to do is get our marinade going. First thing going in is a little bit of teriyaki sauce, and then a touch of barbecue sauce, some fresh ginger, a little bit of fresh garlic, some sesame oil, and a few red pepper flakes for some heat. So just give this a big whisk. This smells so good and so flavorful. I like to reserve about a cup of this to use after you're done grilling, and it makes for the perfect dipping sauce. Now that our marinade's finished, I'm just going to add it on to some cubed chicken. You're just going to give this one giant toss to make sure all of your chicken is coated. Cover everything up, and you want to probably marinate this for at least an hour or two, but you can totally do this overnight to save yourself some time the next day. We've let our chicken marinate for a couple of hours, and now all we have to do is get everything onto our wooden skewer and it's time to barbecue. Whenever I'm using wood skewers, I always like to dunk them in water for 20 to 30 minutes because it will help keep them from burning once they're on the grill. Our pineapple chicken skewers are ready to get on the grill. All you have to do now is cook them about 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until that chicken is cooked through. For this barbecue classic, head over to goodcook.com. Bye!